In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your plan on Spotify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect once your plan changes, all without losing any of your music or playlists. First, open any web browser you're comfortable with. Chrome, Safari, Edge, it's your choice. Using a browser is the simplest route and works for most people, especially if you're on a phone where in-app plan changes might be limited. In the address bar, head to spotify.com/account and sign into your Spotify account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, the one you actually use for listening, so your upgrade applies to the right place. Once you're on your account page, scroll until you see the section labeled Your Plan. This is where Spotify shows your current subscription status, whether you're on free or an existing premium tier. Look for the option that says Change Plan and select it. This brings up all the available plans. Now choose the plan that fits you best. Individual is great if you're the only listener. Duo is designed for two people who live at the same address. Family covers multiple people in one household with separate accounts and parental controls. Student offers a discounted rate if you're eligible and can verify your student status. Pick the one you want, then select Get Premium or Confirm. If prompted, review your billing details and confirm your choice. In most cases, your upgrade starts right away. You don't need to reinstall the app or move anything. Your playlists, liked songs, and followers stay exactly where they are. If you don't see the change instantly, give it a moment and then reopen the app or refresh your account page. A couple of important notes. Upgrades typically take effect immediately, but if you ever decide to switch to a lower plan, that downgrade will apply at the start of your next billing cycle. Also, if your current subscription is billed through a third party, like an Apple subscription, a mobile carrier, or another partner, you may need to manage or change your plan with that provider first. Spotify will usually display a message pointing you in the right direction if that's the case. Finally, choose the plan that matches your household and budget and double-check your billing email for a confirmation. That's it. Quick, clear, and you keep all your music. Enjoy your upgraded listening experience.